Yeah man, nice. Thing called Touch, blazing. Touch 2020, Chino. I'm telling. Menace!
Yeah.
Thing good?
Yes, man.
You don't know the thing, go? Yes, sir. Thing called Touch. This is the entry road. You know what I mean? Elemental just came off the system. Wally is playing now. And of course, unfortunately, I couldn't capture the footage of myself because nobody there to hold the camera for me. So I don't have any footage of me playing, but so it go. Enough more sounds and selectors scheduled to pass through, but this entrance right here, I said I gotta capture it. Know what I mean? Lights a bit bright, so I've come from back there. Yeah. Proper lighting for vehicles coming in, you know what I mean? Touch 2023. Yeah man. Probably gonna turn around right here. It's still early, you know. As you can see, the place is still fairly quiet. You know, the early comers are here though. People that live on the south side of the island. Definitely checking in on time. See the bonfires going. Alright. Let's head back over by session. Touch 2023. It's time for me to hit the stage. catch you on the next one, guys. Peace. That was just the entrance. Yeah, showing you what's going on. Let me see if I'm gonna catch some action over here with Menace. Hold on. Looks like they're about to blaze up a bonfire here. Let me see. Trying to keep the fire going. Yes, sir.
Shopping.
Don't know. Hey, that me wait for catch. Oh, here it goes. Yeah. Very creative and phenomenal. Big up the Rapture family, whole of the Southside boy, Menace and the family. Great idea for this time of year, you know, bonfire, dance. The waterfront is right. You know what? I'm gonna show you the waterfront. It's gonna be very difficult to see it in the night, but we gonna do things right now. See, so for now, definitely upgrade, get some lighting for spots like this so you can see what's going on. But you know how it is, you have to creep, then you walk, then you run, then you sprint. So we're creeping. Here we go.
I instant the delete. Tell her go try them thing that with some other man. No girl can style it. When I pressure about the data, it's alright, it's okay, you can live if you want it. You get girl when you never answer. It's alright, it's okay, it's my time, but that time is. Girl, I know you want me go all alone. Suppose me tell her me see just like you want. I need to see what inside my phone.
Food that's all over here, so.
Full of girl can't come, but when I pressure none, nobody know me rather on you. I'm not slow down. More girls still have come make more. Make the place and turn it in a clue. Girl, I know you want me go on and on. Suppose me tell her me see you just like you want. Yo, that I need to see what inside my phone. Bring that thing on and joke. Alright, only have so much enemy. And me still not see people. Every morning move you cut me some down my vehicle. From the kids gone to school, the family they are up to. There is nothing in the world that can do for hurt you. So fuck them. I just money and girls and fun. Money and girls and fun. Live your life for your life, though. Cause we can do whatever that pleases us. Yeah, we can do. Yeah, we can do. Cause we can do whatever that pleases us. Yeah, we can do. We can do. buckle up your belt, yeah. Click on the road for the wealth. Watch
Back area.
Mama, me I gonna make you proud, don't worry yourself. Daddy, I'm a proud, don't worry yourself.
Bathrooms.
Don't worry yourself.
What is? Yeah, about 5 minutes, right?
Why you say me dead, I get back off.
People remember the bar. Open, everything ready. Adrian, when food ready, let me know come pass on grilling right.